Hey gang, Sealy Clark here. I just wanted to take a step back and get really real with you for a minute. Okay, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Sealy. I've been online since 2010. Failed for, several years before I finally got stuff right, and I'm trying to pass that on to you. That's why we're here. Now, at some point you opted into my YouTube channel or my blog or my email list. And why'd you do that? You didn't know me from a hole in the wall. It's because you're looking to improve your life. You're looking to improve your finances, your family situation. You guys know the why better than I do because you're you. But somehow you wanted to make your life better. And I'm trying to help you do that. Okay? If I get a little heavy-handed, it's for a reason. I really want you to watch the rest of this video. This one video. And if you don't like what I have to say, or if it irritates you or it doesn't resonate with you, that's cool. You can always hop off the video after you're done, throw my ideas right out the window, click on subscribe. But I want it to be very clear in the point I'm trying to drive home, okay? You can sign up with a free account at Now Lifestyle. You can go into the Facebook group. Oh yeah, I'm in Now Lifestyle, yes. And your 8 steps. Now there's reasons I mentioned both of these things. I want you to go in. I want you, if you have a free account, get in there. Come down here, join the Facebook group and the Facebook fan page, okay? Because I want you to get in there and see that the CEO, Joel, is in there. He's a 9-figure earner. He's in there, interacting with people. Leaders such as myself, John Weberg, Richard Weberg, many, many others are in there helping people. They're even helping people that aren't in their direct downline or maybe aren't even in Now Lifestyle by answering questions. I know I've helped people that are in other people's teams. It doesn't matter. We're there to help, okay? That's one of the things is they do care. They really, really do. They have a business in a box for you. It does cost $50 a month. Now, for some people, they're broke as a joke and you can't afford $50 a month. That's fine. Like I always say, don't break the bank trying to make bank. But at some point, you're going to have to fund your business. In my opinion, this is the best business you can find. And I'm going to tell you why. That reason being, once you're in here, you're paying $50 a month. You get the autoresponder, which we will teach you how to use. You get your Now Body system, which is the backbone of the whole thing, getting your health and your wellness going, okay, and just sharing it with others. It's super simple. Everybody needs to get in better shape. Everybody needs more money in their pocket. But how we're doing it is simple, okay? That's why I'm talking to you right now. I increase my fiber, increase my protein, exercise 7 to 10 minutes 3 times a week. It's made a huge difference in my life, and I just want to share that with other people, okay? And beyond that, even if you never get into Now Lifestyle, keep an eye on Richard's videos, my videos, John's videos, okay, the Webergs, Richard and John and me. And we have plenty to teach you. That's why we're here. But back to Now Lifestyle, of course, you have everything here in video format, okay? This is where you reach your sponsor. You start here first. They show you step by step how to run this thing, okay? They also talk about common roadblocks here, okay? Being a perfectionist or being, just preparing and never taking action, the importance of taking action, how to get past being a type A mindset, stuff like that, stress. They review everything, getting in shape, the difference between men and women and people over 50, stuff like that, okay? Done for you here. Now, one thing I wanted to drive home is this is a business in a box. This is absolutely amazing training. We have people that are brand new that are up and running with this and getting leads, signups, and sales. Fact. So there's a gentleman who is doing nothing but Facebook ads, and he already has leads, signups, and sales. So it works. Like I said, this would be your best investment. Free to look at. Free to get into the Facebook group. Let us prove it to you. What do you have to lose? Worst case, you walk away and say, that big bald dude with the beard is nuts. This isn't for me. I'm out of this Facebook group, whatever. But you owe it to yourself if you want to improve your life to take the principles of what we are teaching and apply them to whatever you want. Worst case scenario. If you say, Sealy, F you, buddy, you're not, get out of here. But you have a 9-figure earner who does give a crap, okay? He invited me down to Texas. These are all my YouTube videos, okay? But I'm going to show you one in particular, a couple of them here. I have a video series that I'm doing for everybody right now. This is Joel, this is me, okay? He invited me down to Texas, and I hit the road. Of course, I'm at a point in my life where I'm taking a cross-country road trip permanently with my wife in our RV. Living the life of my dreams. That may not be your dream, but when the CEO invites you down, you haul ass down there. Pardon my French. But I went down. I got to meet the man. I have a finely tuned bullshit detector. I was just going to spend a day. I ended up spending the majority of a week with the man. I worked out with him. I spent time with him and his family and his crew there at Now Lifestyle on the business side. They're the real deal. I can see it. I can see his brain working overtime. How am I going to make this easier for those just coming in that are new to any of this stuff? How am I going to make it better? How am I going to improve the value? Okay? He cares, and he's working on it all the time. The other great thing about Now Lifestyle, if that's something you're considering, is once you get your lead capture system set up and everything, all you do is copy and paste your links. They're done for you. And then you can follow up with them, which we teach you how to do. You follow up with your leads, and Joel follows up with your leads on your behalf with your affiliate links. Okay? So you have somebody that's very good at ad copy and very good at getting people to take action and move forward, even if it's just baby steps, working on your behalf. You have a 9-figure earner working to help you build your business. Also, for those of you that are in and have seen this, and it just blows your mind, or for whatever reason, you just can't get your head around it, we have a system over here called Your 8 Steps. You may recognize this gentleman here, another member of the Cranium Club. His name is Richard Weberg. He's been online. I've been online for almost 8 years. He's been online for 15 years, I think. It's going to be 15 years here. Actually, I think it just passed. So he's been there, done that. He has been financially free for 15 years. He knows his stuff, okay? He has a system called Your 8 Steps that will teach you how to email market. And yes, it is a downline builder for Now Lifestyle, full disclosure. But take everything you can learn from Richard, okay? Apply it to whatever you want. If it's Now Lifestyle, we'd love to have you. But, you can see I'm number 1 on the monthly leaderboard, okay? As you can see, it is January the 21st. I have that right down here. That's why I expanded, so you can see I'm not full of crap. There's a lot of people in here doing very, very well using the 8 Steps program. Now, what the 8 Steps program does for you, let's say you're Now Lifestyle specifically, and you can't get your head around some of this stuff, okay? Some of it just gives you a headache. You can come here to Your 8 Steps, okay, with Richard, and he gives you advertising, places to go for free advertising, places to go for low-cost advertising. He walks you through, step-by-step, video by video, how to set up your Now Lifestyle lead campaigns, how to use your, done-for-you lead capture pages, how to follow up with your prospects, everything of that nature. It's all laid out in video here. And this is free to use. Yes, there are some things that you can upgrade in if you want, but the whole point of the thing is, if you're in Now Lifestyle, even if you're watching and you get on my list and you're in somebody else's team and you're like, dude, you're nuts, go get into Your 8 Steps. You've already paid the $50 for Now Lifestyle. Go in and learn everything you can, okay? And this guy's no joke. And neither am I. I want to help as many people as I can. For example, I'm going to give you some proof right now. We're going to go to commissions and stats. And I'm not showing you to be Billy Badass or to get in your face about it. I'm just going to show you, I haven't even been in that long, okay? And this works. So I'm just going to be real with you, okay? Right there. So, short version of this is I cracked the top 50 in Now Lifestyle in under a year. And there are, yeah, granted, the top 50 is not the top 5, but I want to show you two things. Okay, you have Joel, 9-figure earner, that is helping you, sending emails on your behalf if you are using the Now Lifestyle system. Now this right here, Richard and John Weberg, yeah, that guy right there, okay, he's in the top 5. They're not screwing around, and they're headed up, So, and I am in the top 50. I'll show you that next. And I'm not saying this to brag or boast. There's Richard and John right there, number 5. Okay. And I am right here, 45th. Okay. So it's been under a year. Reason I'm telling you all this is because regardless of what you do, there is a certain process to making money online. And it's super simple. We want to help you. I have reached out to people that have joined me as free members. I have reached out to people that have joined me as, paid members. And haven't heard much back. I email them when they come in. I reach out to them with the contact details. Haven't heard much. So, a closed mouth doesn't get fed. If you need help, contact me. Yes, I'm only one man, but I will do my best to help you. I have videos. I have blog posts. I have trainings. I have, lots of different advertising resources. Like I said, I have a Simple Success series that I'm doing. I'm up to, video number 14 so far. I will do my best to give you everything that's in my brain and give it to you. Okay? So, I have to do that by video. I have to do that by the blog, the occasional Skype chat if absolutely necessary. But I got, a lot of people that have reached out for help. I'm going to help as many people as I can. Does that mean I can, be on the phone with you for 2 hours at a time every other day? No, of course not. But that's why we have the Facebook group. That's why we have our Now Lifestyle Teams Facebook group, private Facebook group. We want to help. So, you have one man who's in the top 5 of Now Lifestyle, who will teach you how to run your Now Lifestyle back office. And if you're not interested in Now Lifestyle at all, and say, Richard, John, Seeley, you guys are nuts, I'm good, still stick around because there's massive value to this training, okay? This will teach you how to email market. Like I said, that's just good business online and giving a crap about people and helping. That's why I'm being, kind of heavy-handed here, is because I want to help you. A lot of people won't reach out for the help or doubt themselves. I don't know what it is, so I'm just going to, keep this video real. I'm kind of shaking your tree a little bit. So, and you can go through, check out my YouTube channel. I have videos from a long, long time ago. Okay? I will give you everything I have to give you to help shorten your learning curve and help you succeed, because I didn't have anybody to help me. To be quite honest, when I first started online, I spent thousands of dollars and wasted years of my life, and it sucked. And now I'm to the point where I can live life on my terms, okay? There's a big backstory I'm not going to bore you with, but I want to help. So reach out if you're already, a member Now Lifestyle and you're in my downline, of course, reach out to me. I tried to get in touch with you. Please, give me a shout. I don't care how you do it. I got bunches of contact information here. If you're a free member that happened to join under me, please, for the love of Pete, get in there, log into your account, go take a look around, tour the Facebook group, tour my Now Lifestyle private team group, tour the Facebook fan page of Now Lifestyle. Look around. I want you to see what you can get for your $50 a month with Now Lifestyle. The kind of help from a 9-figure earner, and from myself, and from Richard, who's in the top 5. Or worst case scenario, all the help you can get from your 8 steps and my videos. So I just wanted to say, have a little bit of faith in yourself. If you can watch videos, hit pause, go do what the video said, come back, and then hit play again, and you have a little patience and faith in yourself, you can do this. It may not be perfect, it may not be as fast as you want, but it is possible, okay? So you can either, learn what you have to learn, get set up, get rolling, and be in a better place in the future for yourself, or you can be in the same place you are right now at this time next year. Anyway, like I said, that's about 15, 16 minutes of video for you. I know that's a lot to take in at once. I may have repeated myself, but it's for a reason, okay? If you don't have any money and your joke is a broke is a joke, find some way. Like I said, do not put yourself in the poorhouse trying to build your business. I did it. It sucks. Don't do it. But what I'm telling you is find a way to fund your business at some point, okay? I don't care, at this point I'm talking as a person to you. Whatever you do, you're going to have to fund your business at some point with even a small investment. And take care of your household and all your expenses and all your obligations first. Do not be the person that lost their job a week ago and needs to make their monthly income by next month, off of this. Don't do that to yourself. If you are broke as a joke, get in there to your 8 steps. Learn everything they have to teach you. Reach out, watch my videos, watch Richard's videos, ask questions, learn everything you can learn, and then when you're ready, when you're in a spot to be able to afford that 15-month, come on back. We'd be glad to have you. So anyway, folks, thanks for listening to me ramble. I really, really hope you get in touch with me. I really, really hope you take action from this. I want you to succeed really, really bad. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach me at my contact details around here. And till I talk to you again, I truly do wish you the best. Thanks for watching.